Evaluating information sources. What will you consider to do a haircut? You would probably think about the quality of the salon. After all, you wouldn't want to go from the handsome guy to that man. Similarly, when selecting an article, it's important to consider the quality of the publisher, authors, and their authority. Why should you believe what they write? Are they certified journalists? Are they experts in the field? These are things you need to evaluate when evaluating an article. Think about its timeliness. Is it addressing a recent topic? Was it published recently? How accurate is it, and can you access the information legally? Let's remember the 3 W's. 1. Who wrote it? Consider their relationships and affiliations. 2. When was it published? The recency of the information is crucial. 3. What are their motivations and standpoints? Are they biased or objective? Next, look for evidence. Do the authors provide supporting evidence for their claims? Are their sources cited for statistics? Check if there's a reference list, as it allows you to cross-check the information. For instance, if you read an article claiming that India is the top exporter of turmeric in the world, can you find that information in more than one place? And if you do find it, was it published recently or back in 2010? It's important to seek out more recent and reliable sources. Remember, when evaluating information sources, be choosy and select carefully. Just as you wouldn't trust any hairstylist with your hair, don't trust any source without proper evaluation. Here are the key takeaways. To strengthen your evaluation skills, lateral reading can help. Find the video in the description to learn more. If you need further assistance, please contact the HKUST Library. Thank you.